Hello everyone. I hope you are having a great day. It's Ravi Vanakuru and welcome to our channel. Today we will see how to install plugins in WordPress. But before going to see that, if you are a new visitor of our channel, please do subscribe. Let's get into our topic. We have many options in WordPress core itself. But still, if you want to extend your WordPress experience, you can use these plugins. As of the day, we have 54,916 plugins available in a WordPress repository. We can use them for free as we require. Let's go to WordPress dashboard and see how to install plugin in our dashboard. Go to dashboard, navigate to plugins, click on add new. Once you click on the add new button, you can see that the most popular plugins available in the worldwide, and that means these are the plugins the other people are using, very much in the worldwide. Now, for in this website or in this video, I wanted to create a contact form. To create a contact form or to install contact form related plugins, we can search the repository using this search box. Let's check how many contact form plugins available in the repository. I have entered contact form. When you stop typing in that search box, you can see that we have a many results related to that keyword called contact form. See, we have a 3,873 plugins available with that keyword. But they are not same plugins. They have a different features. In these results, before going to select one of them, we need to take care of three things. The first one is when this plugin has been updated last time. If you are using very old plugin like 3 years back, 2 years back, or 4 years back plugins, maybe that won't work for your new updated WordPress. So before going to install any plugin, you need to take care of this thing, where you need to check this thing very thoroughly. What is the latest, last modified date? If it is a 1 month, 2 months, 6 months old, then it's fine, you can use that. Okay, and the second point is the star ratings. If it is very high rated plugin, it's okay, you can use that. If they don't have that much ratings, you better avoid that. And third option is how many active installations does that plugin have. This is also a major point. So we need to check that the more active installations means you can trust that plugin um, by seeing that number, right? This is the most active. This is the most um, having active installations, and star ratings also good, and the last modified is it's 4 months ago only. So I can use this plugin in my website, right? If you have completed your choosing plugin with your choosing plugins, you can click on install now button. Once you click on that install now, our WordPress dashboard will pull all related all plugin related files into our local system. Once the plugin has loaded in our local system, it will show you the active button. You can click on this active button. Now, once you click on that active button, you are going to see the new options in your WordPress dashboard. It may be main pages or it may be sub pages and under some other main pages. Okay, that depends on which plugin you have installed. Once you have installed that plugin, you can use the plugin options to create your to fulfill your requirements, right? If you don't want to use, or if you don't want to use that plugin, you can just go to plugins, installed plugins. From there you can deactivate those plugins anytime. But remember that if you are deactivating that plugin means you are not removing the files and database from your WordPress. If you wanted to delete them, or the complete files and database, you need to click on, first you need to deactivate, then you need to click on delete button, right? I am hoping that you have learned some information in this video. If you have if you like this information, please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.